The National Australia Bank still hasn't paid back tens of thousands of customers who were charged fees for no service. The bank's boss, Andrew Thorburn, was grilled at the Royal Commission today about the mishandling of refunds and his plans to overhaul NAB's culture. Daniel Ziffer reports.
For Andrew Thorburn, and banks in general, it's been a tough year at the hands of Commissioner Kenneth Hayne. Finally, someone said it out loud.
Most transformation opportunities come out of pain. Sorry, Commissioner. No, not Hayne, pain.
Today, Mr Thorburn was painfully honest about a dodgy loan scheme that rewarded accountants, lawyers, tailors, even gym owners with commissions for pushing customers towards NAB.
We put the bait right there for people, right there. We put incentive schemes in place which caused to reinforce and quick repeat cash. Not good.
It led to some staff being paid cash bribes to write loans based on fake documents. NAB was also skewered over fees for no service and the culture that caused the scandal.
This money fell into the pocket of NAB accidentally. Isn't that the proposition?
Well, I can't disagree with that, Commissioner. It wasn't intended to be ours, but it became ours.
The bank still hasn't finalised how to refund hundreds of millions of dollars to the 85,000 clients it wrongly charged for years, after initially putting the onus on customers to ask for their money back. Mr Thorburn was accused of blaming a former executive, Andrew Hagger, for NAB's failure to begin repayments, instead of focusing on his own role and that of two other senior executives.
Why couldn't we three see that we were not doing the right thing?
Well, I think I see that now.
The NAB boss, like all of those at the Big Four banks, opposed the Royal Commission. Now, in its final week of hearings, he's changed his mind.
We've got to get this right. We surely can't have this every year. We've got to build our own.
We all agree on that.
Former Treasury Secretary, now NAB Chairman, Ken Henry, told the Royal Commission it's not possible to prescribe the right culture for banks.
I wish it were, but I don't think it is. It's not something. It's not something that can be legislated.
The big question for the banking sector is what medicine will the Royal Commission force down? Daniel Ziffer, ABC News, Melbourne.